This is my unboxing of Curl Mix. I'm trying it out. So I got the, what did I get? Let me see. This is the bag that came with it. It was really cute. It's actually green, but my camera's making it look blue. But they give you a bag. So I got the pure aloe vera one, which I love. Okay, so let me see. So yeah, I got the shampoo, conditioner, the moisturizer. Sorry. Yeah, moisturizer and then the gel. I like the fact that they put them in order so you don't get them mixed up. So you know which step to go in next. So this is my unboxing, guys. I just did my wash and go. I have been in wash and goes. Ain't ever liked them because they didn't turn out right. And this is the first time that I have actually did a wash and go and everything came out the way that it's supposed to look. So yeah, so let me see if I can turn my camera around so you guys can see what I look like, because I am just like loving it right now. Let's see, how do I work my camera? Can't work my camera, y'all. Sorry about this. Do 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 do. Just a second, I'm gonna have to pause this and then pick it up again. I hope I'm getting this right. Can you guys see? Trying to, yeah. But I really like it, and my hair's already thick, but man, I just love the way my curls look. I mean, my curls are literally popping. Look at this. I have definition in my curls. I have defined curls. I am just loving curl mix. So yeah, this is just beautiful. So yeah, I wanted you guys to see this. But yeah, thank you. I hope you guys like it. I'm hoping I'm doing this video right. I was trying to turn the camera around to face me, but I had to look in my mirror to make sure that you guys could see it right. But look at this. I have defined curls and my hair is still thick. So yeah, loving it, and hope you guys like it. Definitely try Curl Mix. I love it. I'm telling you. Oh, my glasses are falling off. But yeah, definitely try Curl Mix. I have found my product, and my hair loves it. It's wonderful. Love it, love it, love it.